Hello, I'm Bri-Anne Alexis. Welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. But today you're going to be seeing my insert name here, hair review. I am talking so fast because my camera is about to die and I've been trying to charge it and I'm trying to get this out before the light goes, but I really want you to see it. This is one of the ponytails that I have on right now. And honestly, I just think that it's so quick, it's easy, and it makes the perfect Valentine's Day look. So if you're looking for something that you can kind of just throw on, maybe you got like a last minute date, you don't know what to do, this is the hair for you. So I'm gonna show you all the steps that I took. It was such an easy process. Honestly, I think it took about 5 minutes to do, not even. So if you feel like your hair's dirty or you're in a rush, it's like the perfect hairstyle, in my opinion. Make sure if you're visiting the website that you use my discount code. You're gonna get 15% off site-wide. So I'm gonna start with the Mia, and you can see it's kind of like, almost like a Connect-Colon. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's synthetic though. The color is a close match. I know my hair's a little darker, but I didn't want to get the black in case the black was like, you know, really black and shiny. But they do have a lot of color matching resources. So you could do a test online, like a quiz, or you could just DM them and they would help you pick a color. So that's relieving if you feel like you don't know which color to do. But I'm gonna start with like I'm gonna do my little middle part, Bella Hadid style. And honestly, I'm so happy for this because it's like, imagine now, Valentine's Day. You're ready to go out on a date, or you get asked on a date last minute, or not last minute, but like, you know, maybe a few days before and you didn't have time to plan your schedule. Your hair is dirty. And now you have to figure out not only what you're gonna wear, where you're gonna go, and now you have to factor in doing your hair as well. So sometimes it's just so stressful. And if your schedule isn't planned around your hair, like mine often is, you have to kind of pull something together last minute. So that's where a good ponytail comes in handy, for sure. All right, if you haven't seen my Bella Bun video, then you wouldn't know, but I'm just putting some Eco Styler gel on my hair. And this technique is so easy for me now that I'm relaxed, but usually it used to take so long for me to get a good ponytail. Not long, but just a lot of effort. And you can see my hair's freshly relaxed right now, but you can see in my Bella Bun video how much arm work I had to put in to get it to look right, which is typical. Okay. So we've got our middle part with our green Eco Styler gel. And I'm gonna kind of brush the sides. Get my stocking. I love using stocking caps because I can just adjust how tight I want my ponytail. And I always want my ponytail, if it's supposed to be like a sleek bun, I want it really tight. So this is what helps me get that look. I just put it around a million times and then tie it. Again, I did a more in-depth process on that. And I just take the little knot part and put it further down. Okay, so do a little one of these. More gel. You could definitely go into the front and all of that after, but just for the initial brushing. Okay, and so my hair was flat ironed at the salon, so it's kind of like a really tiny ponytail, thin. But if I were to flat iron it myself and do it myself, it would obviously be thicker. But this is what I'm working with. So it's last minute, we're going on a date. We want something cute. We're gonna take off the Velcro, which I definitely think is very interesting and innovative. I've never seen a ponytail come with a Velcro attachment. We've got our clip right in the front. Please don't mind my nails. I'm gonna go get those done. But we've got our clip in the front, and you know, sometimes girls like twist it or braid it. I think I'm gonna just leave it underneath there. So I'm gonna attach, there's instructions for this. It says attach it under your hair tie. Okay, so it's secure. I just put the teeth underneath my hair tie. I'm gonna wrap this. Ah! Velcro's getting caught in my hair. Wrap it around. Okay. Take this little curly piece. And pull that. And wrap it some more. Okay. It also comes with bobby pins, 2 bobby pins, which is so easy because then, you know, sometimes you're trying to do something and you're scrambling, looking for all the pieces you need. But it comes with bobby pins, so I just wrapped that little part all the way around my ponytail so that you couldn't see where they were blending. Of course, just dropped it. Grabbed another one. And now I'm just going to put the bobby pin over the part that I'm trying to wrap around my ponytail. There we go. That's in there. And then I'm taking it out. I'm bad with bobby pins because I just jammed them in. Ooh, look at that. Wow, wow, okay. We're gonna do our little baby hairs. Again, this is a dirty ponytail, so just smooth out any flakes you see. If you're doing this on clean hair, props to you. Props to you, but I'm definitely thinking this is an amazing resource if, you know, you're like stuck last minute and you really need a nice pulled together, elevated look. If your hair is feeling curly at this point, I would suggest wrapping it, but come on. It's a no-brainer. Are you kidding me? Ooh, ooh. I showed my mom and she was just like, wow, 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 wow. That's all she had to say. She couldn't stop saying wow. So I could only imagine public reaction to this ponytail. Okay, next one. I like this one. This one's really cute, really fun. I'm gonna change the part completely. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it a little bit. We're gonna give her a swoop. So I want a deep. Should we do it straight or like diagonal? Let's see. Water. Yeah, like curve it, right? Like a little. Like that, I think. Should we do it deeper? I don't think any deeper is necessary. No, that's perfect. And that can stay. How much is this? You don't want too much because then it's gonna be bulky and thick. I think that should be good. So I'm gonna go for a high pony this time. Super cute. Like up here. Perfect. Got a little. I'm gonna go ahead and put the alley on. Brush and spray this in. And I think my hair is just like blended in there. So that's all I have for you. Thank you so much. Insert name here. I'm really excited for these ponytails. Don't forget to subscribe. You can find me on Instagram, on TikTok. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.